Yo, 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 yo. What's good? What up, Bundy? What is up? Oh my God. Let's see here. We got Fibonacci, 6 Billy Bands, Bundy, Nate, K Sun. Oh, I appreciate it. JNS, I appreciate it. V33. Bro, fucking gold. What up, Cube? David Schneider. Tell Kathy I'm gonna take care of her. That didn't come out right. I tell her I saw her message. You know what I'm saying? What up, Spencer? I streamed. She sent me her screenshots, and then I hopped on my New York stream, and then my boy Drake came through, one of my baseball homies, and he was hanging out for a few hours, and then I was trading, and then now I'm fucking streaming again. But I'm gonna take care of her. She's good, and you already knew that anyway. So, anyway, do I mess with copper? No, but I have a 100-ounce bar of copper, so that's cool. You want to see it? Jordan Adamson, what up? Kamau, yeah, I got a 100-ounce bar of copper. What up, Muggs? Yeah, hold on. Let me just log it, make sure I'm in all my accounts. This shit is gold is. I'm telling you, absolutely ridiculous. It's ridic. It's ridic. Let me just let the DCA gang know in case anyone wants to hang out. Yeah, bro. I was seriously considering, and that's a great job. I was seriously considering trading micros tonight, but I didn't. Yo, it's nuts, bro. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. For anyone who hasn't been watching the in the charts at all, like if you look at the chart and don't read the price action, like the actual price of everything, you would say, oh wow, it looks like any other night. Because it does. Like the price action looks like any other night, aside from the fact that we went and hit new all-time highs again, and our range on gold today is the market's only been open for what, 5 hours. The range is a 177 points. That's 1,770 ticks. It's only been open for 5 hours. Yesterday's range, or Wednesday's session was like what, 2,500 ticks, 2,600 ticks, 250 points. It's fucking bananas over here. Straight up bananas. This shit is bananas. BANANA. Yes, let me turn my screen on. Is it on already? No, it's not. Let me turn my screen on. This fucking shit is insane. All right. I'm putting away all my OnlyFans tabs. That's my other gig. Posted some content. I'm a content creator. Oh man. Screen. Yes, I understand. Share that shit. Yep. All right. Look at this. First of all, silver hit a new all-time high as well. Silver went up as high as $119.50 per ounce. Gold, I'm talking about the spot price. Gold went up as high as $55.85 on the spot. Gold just hit 5,000 the other fucking day. Gold, because I'm trading the new contract. The new contract on gold went up as high as 5,627, 5,626 and change. 5,626. Did this update yet? No, it hasn't updated yet. I could adjust it. Let's see. For the new contract? No, it didn't change it. We haven't rolled over yet, but the volume is definitely leaning towards the new contracts of gold. This is gold on the hourly. It's just fucking going parabolic. Here's gold on the fucking daily. This is the daily chart on gold. Blackout News, Maximus, Vince, D-Walk. You see, guys, Amorpha T, Vero. Oh, Cube, without a doubt, bro. Like, look at this. I mean, like this right here. Let me get rid of this fucking fibs. Let me get rid of the fibs so we could see what's going on. This is well charts because I'm trying to trade my fucking well charts accounts right now. My funded well charts accounts. Not all of them. This one I just requested. I just requested on this one earlier, after the market closed. 554, I requested 1109. Obviously, it's still pending. That's this one. I'm not going to touch that until it gets approved or denied. I don't see why it would get denied. Trying to trade these 4 and these 5. But right now I'm trying to get in a trade with these 4. And I did do some other things. I blew more today I blew more trade day evals, but I got another batch of 3 and I got $900. Maybe I need to size down on this shit because the way this fucking shit is moving. All right, so let me show you gold. Like this right here. This looks like gold on any other night. It's right? It kind of looks like gold on any other night, any other session, right? The problem is like this right here, this little fucking zone right here. How many ticks is this zone? 813. It's almost 5. This little zone right here, this box right here, chat. This box is almost 500 ticks. That's 50 fucking points. You're getting candles. You're getting candles like this one. Even these look like little candles. Each one of these candles is how many ticks? 701, 50 tick candles, 80 tick candles. Look at this one right here. This big red one. 777 down to fucking 656. Just one candle. Look at this candle. I mean, this shit is just going fucking berserk, which makes it more challenging to trade, which makes it so if I were most of you, I would size down. Unless you're a dumb fuck like me who refuses to trade micros, unless you absolutely have to because to lose money on purpose so they get a flip day in. What up, I trade Rebby, Tony. Yeah, it's nuts out there. It's nuts out there, Jordan. Eddie, what up? The fit. Of course, right now, if you're trading gold or silver, especially gold, I don't even look at silver in terms of trying to trade it. You're playing with fire because it's just the candles are massive. These moves are massive. Like let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles, 6 minutes worth of candles. We went up from 680 to 829. We went up almost 150 ticks in 6 minutes. here, right here. And now we're almost down 150 ticks in 1, 2, 3, in 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? This just been going on all night. So you just got to be fucking careful. So this is my trade day. Didn't touch my Apex yet. I still have to grab new Lucid accounts. I'm not going to do it now, but I do have these. Oh, shit. Day 8 right here, motherfucker. I just didn't want to. I did this with 1 micro. And at the time when I traded it, I was down as much as $70 in like 5 seconds with 1 micro. But hey, we're good. I will be requesting $2,000 from this account when the market closes tomorrow. If I get approved on this and the $1,109, that puts me at just under 45 grand for the month. I got to activate these 3. I got to activate these. D's. K9, what up? Roberto. Yeah, I saw it. I got you too. I got to take care of you. I got to take care of a couple people. Eddie, I don't know how I do it either, bro. Jay Styles, I trade. Yeah, it's fucking wild out here. It's wild out here for a pimp. Punisher, what up? Susu. Yeah, I wanted to hop on a little earlier. I can't hang out very long. I have to go to Albertsons and get chicken before they close at 10. My wife took my daughter has a fucking ear infection. She said, I can't hear you. I have an ear infection. So she gets the prescriptions from this supermarket called Albertsons, and they gave her a 20% off coupon code. So I'm going to grab a bunch of fucking chicken for the dogs, but I need to get there before they close at 10. So I can't hang out too long. But I'm going to hang out for like another hour and 15 minutes, hour and 20. I'll hang out until like 9:40 my time. So another hour, almost hour and a half. And hopefully I could trade these right here. I want to trade these. But right now, I fucking don't know. Here's something interesting. Here's the high of day. Here's the last low before we started bouncing. Look what we rejected off of. We just hit the 707. I wish I fucking was paying attention and saw that, because we just dropped from 824. We dropped almost 200 ticks in how many fucking candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles. 200. This is what's been going on all night. Yeah, I'm usually a Smiths guy. I don't know. If you have Albertsons by you, you probably have Smiths. I usually go to Smiths, but I'll hit up Albertsons. What's crazy is there's 2 Albertsons I'm right by Flamingo. There's literally 2 Albertsons like a mile and a half away from each other on Flamingo. It's the weirdest fucking thing. One's on one side of the 215 and one's on the other side. But they're right next to each other, practically. Rebbe, I heard about that. A lot of people got fucked. Punisher, what up? Oh, do they have Smiths over there? Do they have Sprouts? I love Sprouts. Sprouts is dope. They didn't have Sprouts on the East Coast. Smiths is they have different brand. They're like the Giant. They're like the company that owns them is Giant, I think. I think it's like the same. Like there were Stop and Shops on the East Coast, but I think that's the same as Smith's. Roberto, you could pass it. There's no limit. You could pass in one trade if you want. You could take gold. You could take 10 minis of gold for 31 ticks and pass in one trade. You could pass in one day. There's no consistency rule. There's no rules on evals. You could do whatever the fuck you want. Calvin. Sprouts is dope. I fucking love Sprouts. Sprouts is like a hybrid of like Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, but we hit them all. Yeah, no, yeah, Roberto, literally, like you could take gold for one of these candles. Just take gold for one candle, and you're good. I don't recommend it. Results may vary. Results not typical, chat. But man, I'm happy about this. Oh, and these right here, D's, 20 to 25, those are the 6 I just got paid on. Those are these 6. I just got my third payout on them. Wednesday session, I got like $12. I was actually down 400, got it all back, finished. I got back to like $12.92. I was like, I'll treat that as a flip day. So I got my first day in, and then this trade took like 3 seconds. It was a 786 bounce. I caught it real quick and then put my fucking take profit in. But that fucking bounce, when was that trade? When was that fucking trade? What the fuck? No. Hold on. I'll tell you. 418. Right around here. No, maybe it was a little longer. Maybe it was a few minutes. It felt like it happened quick. I don't know. I'm confused. It felt like it was quick. That's what she said. Oh, I had the order. It was quick. Watch, I'll show you. The order was in there for a little bit. We dumped, right? Like, look at this dump. It rejected off of this area of resistance. We dumped from 705 down to fucking 809. 5570 to 5480. Like almost fucking 700 ticks in like 3 candles. And then I had an order. It was the 786 or the 707 from somewhere over here. And I got filled. Was this it? No. It was here. My bad. It was here. So this low, we came back up, we pulled back, and it was a 786 bounce for me. I'll show you. I'll draw that shit. Look. I got filled. I'll show you how quick the trade was. Look, 786. And it fucking bounced. I got just 32 ticks, and it went up how many ticks? From 54.92 to fucking 55.55. 92, 8, and 55. It went up 630 ticks in like 20 minutes. That's what's been going on all night. It seems to have slowed down a little bit, but not really. Let's see how long that trade lasted. That's what she said. Oh, fuck. Am I going to have to fucking... Oh, I got to log in. Hold on. You motherfucker, you. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. All right. So this was earlier. This was today's session. 17 seconds. The trade lasted 17 seconds. That's what she said. But now I have 2 days in, and I'm going for another max payout. If I can. I didn't want to get too much, right? I could have held that trade and just kept riding that shit. But the issue is, let's say I got $800, which could have happened real quick. If I got $800, I just got paid. So now the 30% consistency rule resets between each payout. So if I got 800, I had to divide by 30. I'd have to grow the account by $2,667. So I withdrew down to 2,100. I would have to grow the account to 4,767. Do I need to grow it that much? No. I really just need to grow it to 4,100 so I can request another $2,000. No need to go over that. No need to make my life harder. And if I don't get the 4,100 and I get I'm eligible for a payout request and I'm at like 17 or 1,800 that I can request, I'm just going to take it. Those accounts have gotten 3 payouts for a total of over 28 grand. I don't like, even here, like I could have tried to get another $34 in each account to get my even 2,000. Who gives a fuck? Who fucking cares? Right? That's where you get into trouble. How hard can it be to just get another $34? I knew better. Nothing wrong with 1,966 times 6, right? What's wrong with 11,796? It's okay. So I missed out on what? 34 times 6? You know what I mean? Oh, well. Now we're just waiting to see. Does it come up to the 786? TJP, what's good? Carlos, what up? Take the fucking money. I tell everybody else to take whatever's available when it's available, and that's what I do now. I'd say with anywhere else I would. With Apex, for whatever reason, I was on this fucking shit where like it's max payout or bust, because I would do the math on all the payouts I got that weren't max payouts, and I was like, look how much I shorted myself. And then I started, going for max payouts, and I would get a lot of them, but I was also blowing accounts trying to push them for max payouts. So now I just grow accounts and I take whatever's available when it's available, especially with Apex. And here I am if I get approved here, I'll be at 76 grand since December 1st in payouts. Over 100 grand since fucking October 16th. Now, this is an interesting spot right here. Chat. $707, $786. Does it reject? The shit slowed down a lot. But I mean, even this bounce, look how much we just bounced. We bounced 140 ticks already. I'm saying this shit slows down. It still bounced 140 ticks in 10 minutes. It's just warming up for when London opens. White trash granny. Fuck yeah. You've been killing it with trade day lately, bro. They're going to push you live soon. You're going to get pushed live soon, which is fine. The only issue is if you're trading 3 accounts now, you have to go down to 1, which kind of sucks, but whatever. Take the fucking money. Right, DAAA? Does my spreadsheet? What spreadsheet? It doesn't calculate anything, Top Frag. I just literally paste the shit in. You talking about this? I just copy and paste it in. And then I do the math. And then I hit the little sum button, the little sum button, and I fucking do the math. Just like any, from, what we learned in fucking middle school. I keep the shit real fucking basic. There's no formulas in here, really. I literally Apex gives you the ability to copy and paste. Literally, you could grab everything on one page. You got to go from the dashboard. On the right hand side, you'll see payment history, but then you'll see another one called legacy payment history. Click on the legacy payment history, because then you can scroll down and grab everything all on one page. The new payment history puts like 50 or 100 transactions per page. And if you're anything like me, you might have a lot more than that, and it just gets annoying. So you want to do legacy payment history. Rep, your take profit trader account's not updating your trade since yesterday. They might be still, if it was during that outage, it might be still working through all of that shit. I don't know. That's just one account? Damn, bro. Yeah, you're eventually going to get pushed alive, but that's okay. Oh, I'm fucking tired, though. Long day. Sprouts in the South, yo. Sprouts is the shit. So I'm just fucking waiting. And in case you're wondering, I did the math again. 1215 plus 1215.40. This is how much I spent with Apex since day one. Since day one. We're talking almost 2.5 years. A lot of failure. I finally got over the hump. This is how much I made with Apex before the payouts I just got. So if I grab if I grab all this again and do the math again, it's that plus another, $12,000 or so. I'm not doing anything revolutionary in here. Fuck. We're going to put this at 0 because I didn't get it yet. It's pending. This one was denied, so we'll 0 that one out. These were denied, so that's 0 also. Ask your favorite streamer, your favorite guru, or whoever to show you their fucking P&L and their Apex. Let them do this exercise too. I encourage it. How many people are you gonna ask PW to do this shit? Ask fucking Brian Stonks to do it. I don't give a fuck what he's running those accounts up to right now. Ask them. These guys won't even tell you what fucking PA they're up to. Ask fucking Rips. I got a couple more denial. Yeah, there's my other one. All right, so I zeroed out all the denials. Here is my total payouts with Apex. D1 to D100. 121. Hold on, let me make it bigger for everybody to see. 121,568. Net positive. You're still net negative, Jay. Wrong again. I actually broke the glass ceiling. I broke the firmament on payouts right after, where is it? After this batch right here. This right here pushed me into profitability for the first time with Apex. I finally paid off all of my Apex tuition with this payout. So 2 weeks ago. And then this just increased the gap, increased my profit. But if you do the math on what I've done just in the last 2 months, just with Apex versus what I spent in the last 2 months, you'll notice a fucking trend. Let's see, are there any opportunities here to trade? Not really. We're just retesting this fucking 707 here on the larger time frame. The fuck? So this is pointless. I don't need this anymore. So watch this. But Jay, you spent all this money. Yeah, I know. Let's see, just this month alone. Let's just do this month. Let's do this month first. Where's that new sheet? And then let me grab the other one. Don't worry. I didn't forget about the last couple of weeks. Don't worry. Well, I know the math, but let's just put it all together. Sheet 10. Uh-oh. Format. Number. Plain text. Oh, it didn't change it. Uh-oh. Motherfucker. Hold on. I don't know if it's going to let me do the math the way I want it to. Well, we already know the number. We already have the number. We already have the number because. Oh, fuck. All right. We have the number because I did the math before on that sheet. $1,215 from January 15th till today. And then let's get the rest of it. Sum L1 to L69. 2346 plus 1215.40, right? Some young guy, L70 and L71. This is how much I spent in Apex this month. No? What the fuck? Oh, I know what I did. M71. This month, I spent $3,561 in Apex. $3,561.60. You want to know how much I fucking made this month? Let's see how much I fucking made this month. That's just this month. N1 and N19. This is for all the fucking loser haters. 27,619 this month. Let's do some more fucking math, huh? 3561.60. 3560. Let's just do it this way. 27,619 minus 3562. I'll round up. I'm net 24,057 just in Apex this month. A lot different than how things started. It doesn't matter where I was. It doesn't matter where you came from. All that matters is where you're going. Remember that. You should do this exercise just for yourself. All right, Roland, what up? Yeah, they could go fuck themselves. I'm salty. You know what I'm salty about? I'm salty that they fucking just cut me off cold turkey after having me on for 3 months and never told me why. And I wasn't going to ask. But I did hear through the grapevine it was because of my trading style and too many people were crying about me. But it was really because of Paytech. Thanks, Lee. Rebby, it's starting to, it might hit it. Yo, gold might hit 10K next month the way this shit's going. Oh, Lee, I appreciate it, man. What up, D-Gen? Cube. I don't know. Exactly. People, if you trade with prop firms, you'll blow accounts. If you're not blowing accounts, you're not fucking trying hard or you're not going as hard as you could be. Wow, there it is. There's a 786. What a fuck. Look at that fucking pop. Oh, God, it's on fucking well charts. I don't know why I'm watching him here. So we bounced right here. 638. We just went up 300 ticks in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In 20 minutes. Can I get filled here? Is this 786 going to hold? Am I not going to get filled? Why is this like this? There we go. Oh my God, kill me. Oh my God, I should have just marketed in. That, look at that right there. That little drop right there was fucking 30 ticks. TP. I don't link accounts. I don't copy trade like most other people you see copy trading where they're using like Trade Syncer or Quant Tower or any of that shit. Or Replicanto or whatever, Ninja Trader. Fuck. I can't believe it didn't come up and fill me. I should have just marked it and look, it's down. It just dropped fucking 46 ticks. I will copy trade. So right now, like I have orders in, these 4 accounts are in a group together. 55, 56, 57, 58. Whatever I get, whatever like I do it within the prop firm. So when Apex, whatever I get, like I pass these 6 right here are in a group together. I pass them just in case I get filled. I got to pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I passed these together and activated them together. So I put them in a group. These 3 I passed today. I didn't activate them yet, but they're going to go in a group of 3. If I pass these trade days, they're going to go in a group of 3. They're in a group of 3 right now. They're going to stay in a group of 3. That's how I do it. I'm about to grab 5 Lucid evals. If I'm going to trade them together as evals, I'm going to trade them together as as funded accounts too. Shit, I might get filled. Fuck. Time to pay attention. This might go like up. I'm fucking scared actually. Fuck. Granny, don't. Why is this doing this? Fucking, oh my God. Well charts is fucking annoying. Only reason, honestly, at this point, it's not terrible, but man, Trade-Evade is so much better. How many firms do I have accounts with right now? Apex, Trade Day. Fuck, all I have is accounts with, I have accounts with Bullinox. I just can't trade them. I got to connect. I got to get the whole Rhythmic thing set up. I got to get Rhythmic set up because I can't trade on Project SlipX. I had 2. Fuck! Look how close it came to filling me again. You fucking kidding me? I had Lucid funded accounts that were on day 4. I had my day 4 locked to get a sec. I needed one more day after that to get a second payout with those 2 accounts. And I waited all fucking night for this too, and I fucking fucked it up because I wasn't paying attention. I could have got, that's all I really wanted. I could have gotten fucking 40 ticks. I don't need a huge amount with this one. Now I'm a little worried if I get filled now, it's going to fucking go higher. This looks like it's flagging. I had to take Profit Trader funded account yesterday. I blew that too. So my goal for February is to get 5 funded Take Profit Trader accounts, 5 funded Lucid accounts, 3 funded Trade Day accounts. Figure out how to trade with Bullinox and get funded with them again, because I like getting paid by Bullinox. And then and obviously see if I could get back to 20 with Apex, but hold on, but keep getting paid on the ones I have. This will put me at 17. Fuck, I can't fucking believe it, man. It's gonna fuck me, bro. Look. That's 100 fucking ticks. I'm so fucking pissed. I fucked that up so bad. Look how I didn't get filled. Look how close it came to filling me. Look how close it came to filling me. 2 ticks away. 2 fucking ticks away. And it dropped 100. What up, P? I know, bro. The only reason I'm trading with them now, because I had rebills that were coming through at $16.70, which you cannot get accounts for that cheap anymore with Apex. So I kept those subscriptions active. And then they came through and I actually passed a bunch of evals. I passed 6 of them. That's why I have these 6 right here. And I just got paid on one. I requested on this one. I didn't get paid yet. What a fucking drop. What? Look, it's going to come right back up. I'm canceling this shit. Fuck that. I'm so fucking pissed I didn't get filled on that. It bounced probably right off the 707. Look. Just about. From this low. Unfucking real. Look at that shit. Look how fast it bounced. It just went from 824. That's 100 ticks in this candle, and it's not even done. Now it's done. 100 ticks in one candle. I have a feeling if this holds here, it's going to be a big move down because this is on a larger time frame. Look at the gap between each fucking level on the fib. You're talking 824, 120 ticks between the 707 and the 786. If this 786 holds, we could drop down like this low, down here somewhere probably. Which reminds me, maybe I'll fucking put my fib here. That was Apex, yeah. Mikey, what up? Well, I could trade. Well, on a if you're not on a Mac, you could basically use fucking, whatever fucking whatever third party fucking software that hooks up with Rhythmic, which is a lot. Quantower, NinjaTrader, Replicanto, all that shit. But I'm on a Mac, and I'm not running VMware or fucking Parallels on my Mac. I refuse to. And so I got to use some Alpine. Alpine put me onto some shit called Onyx. People say it sucks, but it can't be any worse than well charts. No offense. If it's anything like well charts, I should be able to use it. No, not on all 6. I got paid on a bunch of different accounts. I got paid on a bunch of accounts. These 6 I got paid on twice this month. I got paid on 539 to 543. Once, unfortunately, I got paid. Well, that's it. Yeah, that's everything with Apex. And then the rest of it was Lucid, a little bit of Take Profit, Lucid and Trade Day and Take Profit Trader. I got paid by 4 firms this month. Motive Wave works on Mac. I also have to pay for that shit, bro. Bacon, I'm not paying for any of this shit. What up, DCA LeConte? I don't know. Someone I talk to regularly said it sucked, but I don't care. It can't be that bad. It was a good alternative to Project X. Okay. Well, that's good to know. What up, Tony Gold? Whoever told me might have heard it from somebody else. So it might have just been hearsay or whatever. I thought you have to pay for Motive. There's a free version of Motive Wave? They only offer a free trial, bro. Free trial. Sign up for a demo. What do I could just trade the demo? 14-day free, 14-day. See? Oh, that's Rhythmic. Yeah, fuck that. I'll just trade that Onyx shit. Just throw your guns in the air and buck like you. This shit's, look at this. It's fucking holding. And buck like you just don't care. Damn, Lee. Fuck that. Yeah, I trade. Yeah. The 707 held before. The 707 held here, look. Right here. It just missed hitting it. It dropped from 814 to fucking 660. And then it came back up, retested it, actually touched it, and dropped from 824 to fucking 635. Almost 200 ticks. Now, the issue is, like, how many fucking times how many touches is it going to take? You think it's going to retest it for a third time? It could reject there, but I don't trust it. After after one retest, I don't know. Yeah, I'm a little hesitant at that point. So it worked up to the next level, and look what it's doing here. I'm so pissed. I literally missed getting filled by a tick. Or no, it was like 2 ticks. But what else is new? It's the story of my fucking life. Tony Gold, I know. I don't know. Cube, that's a good question. That's a good question. I'm okay with using that Onyx shit. I don't know. It's time to get live like a wire. I set the whole choir on fire. It's fucking stupid. Oh man. Sticky fingers. You got paid, but I haven't seen Trevor. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I just have I don't give myself enough time to fuck around with it. I'll probably fuck around with it over the weekend. See if I can sign all the agreements, all the arithmetic agreements. I'll download it to my daughter's PC, her gaming PC. Sign all the fucking agreements. I still have to hit up Bullinox and hey, I still gotta ask them hey, you just charged me for a bunch of rebuilds, but I can't trade on Project X. They'll probably say, oh, you got to switch back to Rhythmic. So then I'm gonna have to ask them to switch me back to Rhythmic. And then I got to do it. So, but look at this drop. Fuck, man, I missed it by 2 ticks. 950 to fucking 824, 126 ticks. Coach HID. Yeah, they're fucking good. Yeah. But wait, it gets worse. I had the Onyx CD. The first one. And then Biggie and Nas and Wu-Tang and fucking Mobb Deep and all these other guys started coming out, and Onyx just fell off. Isaac, what up? What up, Dan? You just missed me getting filled by 2 ticks. The usual. Let's look at, since I'm gonna put an order down here. It's time to get live like a wire. Right here. Just in case it decides to dump. We haven't gotten a retest yet. It might retest and then go lower. But I'm gonna finish doing the math on the last 2 months. I did the last month. Let's do fucking December. Just so you can see how my trajectory has changed, and this is why I was able to finally pay off my tuition and go green with Apex. So here we go, December 31st. And I spent a lot more than I needed to because I kept trying to get back to having 20 funded accounts. Totally unnecessary, but whatever. So here's December. How much did I spend in December? P1 to P117. $3,845 in September. December, sorry. Payouts in December. How much did I get in payouts in December? I fucking December. Q1, Q23. 21,489. So 21,489 minus 38.45, 38.46. Let's round up. I netted 17,643 from Apex in December. Let's do some fucking math all together. 2149 plus 27,619. That's my total payouts in the last 2 months just from Apex. 49 grand. Minus, here's that's January, 3561. Let's just say 3562 minus 3846. I netted $41,700 in the last 2 months, and I have $1,109 pending, which could be approved when I wake up in the morning. And I have $2,000 I'm going to request tomorrow after the market closes. So that's how fast shit can change for you once you get a handle on whatever you're trading and how you look at it. How many accounts do I have with Apex right now? Well, I have 14 funded accounts with them. I'll have 17 once I activate these 3, which I haven't done yet. Roberto, have I looked at copper to trade? No. I could go look at some copper. I got a fucking 100-ounce copper bar in the other side of my trailer. You like that shit? Yo, Bob, yeah. We got some really creative people in the DCA gang making, and that was just the last 2 months. That doesn't include November. November was another one. I didn't do like crazy numbers in November, but I didn't spend a ton either. Gold slipping where? Is that fucking 5,600? It's slipping. This fucking shit just hit fucking 5,000. It crossed over 5,000 on the 26th. On Monday. It's slipping though. I get it though. From a trading perspective, maybe, possibly. I missed getting filled by 2 ticks. I'm not chasing this shit. I do think it's going to drop. Yeah, bacon. That's a 100-ounce silver bar in my hand in that thumbnail. I know, DCA LeConte. I know. And I'm very thankful for that. I'm very grateful. Someone said that Apex butters my bread to me the other day. Oh, so that's the only reason why I got these payouts? I didn't earn these fucking payouts by trading my ass off? I hate when motherfuckers say shit like that to me. That is not why. Yeah, Rebby, it's fucking crazy. You hit your 1,500 in 3 days? What size account? Are you trading at 2,500? Sacco, are you trading a 25K? Not a 2,500. Are you trading a 25K account? You got to flip. You still got to trade for 5 days. So if you hit 1,500, you got to at least you have to enter and exit a trade for 2 more days. 2 more days of trading. And then if you use somebody's code to grab the account, you won't have to pay an activation fee if you use the coupon code. So they'll give you an activation fee credit the next day after your 5th day is reconciled. Use that when you activate. Well, when you go to activate your pro account, the credit should be there and you'll get to use it. Hope you use the best fucking code. I know, it's so crazy. They only said that because they know I'm an affiliate of Apex. If they knew, I don't talk about how much I make, but I can tell you one thing: Apex is not the highest by a lot. I butter my own fucking bread. Well, actually, my wife butters my bread when she makes me my eggs in the morning. Yeah, I'm buttering my own fucking wallet. I just happen to be doing really good in Apex. Destiny. Yo, Sacco, bro. It's I love the excitement. You really got to look at the prop firm's fucking FAQ pages to learn this shit. I'll tell you what it is. I have no problem telling you, but you really need to know this stuff before you start trading with the prop firms. At least do a little bit of due diligence so you know what you're getting yourself into. But in the meantime, let me just make sure I don't have any you know what I'm saying, bro? You got to fucking know what you're paying for. And I say that with the utmost of respect. But here it is. On a 25K, you need to get over 1,500. Anything over 1,500, you can request. You could do it in one day. They do have day one payouts. You could do it. You could take as long as you need. There's no limit. There's no time limit. There's no consistency rule. There's no bullshit rules. Just don't hedge. And anything over the buffer, you can request. You could get paid every single day if you're over the buffer every day. Isaac, yeah, bro. My son too. He wants to start getting involved in it. But guess where my son was today? Instead of learning how to trade from me, he went out, hang out with his girlfriend. I told him, you have to show the initiative. I'm not going to come and get you when I'm trading. You know I'm trading all the fucking time. So you got to come and hang out with me. You got to make the effort. His real name's Clarence. But here are the rules. Hold on. Knowledge base. Everything you need to know about this funded account you're about to get is right here. Pro account rules. There you go. Let's see. What else does it show? Tells you all the fucking rules. That's just rules, though. You want to look at, like, payouts. Does it not have it on here? Does it not have that shit, bro? The break? What? Withdrawals. Here we go. Here we go. Look, I just did a little bit of digging, and I found it. You know what you should also do? Sacco. Hold on, I got Sacco. Well, here's the link to all of that shit I just found. Here's what you should also do. Oh, my God. This is getting violent. Oh, new hour fuckery. Here we go. New hour fuckery. So what I highly recommend you do is join the Discord. Do you have Discord? If you don't have Discord, download the shit or sign up for it. Join the DCA gang Discord, the DGen fam, the DGen treehouse. This is where you can learn all about ZFG concepts, also known as zero fucks given concepts. It's the best community on these prop firm streets. What up, Cristo? Oh, I know, bro. I know. Drop 3,000 ticks. Join the Discord, though, and hang out in there. You'll learn a lot. There's a lot of fucking really good traders in there. And there's just everybody's super fucking chill. It's super chill in there for the most part. Every once in a while, it gets a little fucking wild, but not in a good way. But, you know, you got a lot of people, a lot of egos. We're all behind our computers, you know. So, but for the most part, it's super chill in there. Zero Lose Club. And it's free for now. Nate. Yeah. Yeah, you got a ways to go. Like, don't even worry about that shit. She's the devil, Bobby. You cannot pass an eval to save your life with Apex. Oh man, don't worry, Clarence. We got plenty of other people that are building up, that are keeping that pass rate super high, bro. Are you like maybe you should just play passive smash? I'm not an advocate of telling other people to do that, but it seems like you trading it the way you're trading it now is not working. So just full port. Try full porting and catching 15 points on the NQ or 31 ticks on gold, which right now you got fucking every other candle in gold at least 30 ticks. Let's see. This candle, 885, 854, 31 ticks. Or these moves, like this drop right here, 917 to 795. That was 122 ticks. I'm not saying you should do that, but maybe try it. I found that my pass rate playing passive smash is just as good as just regular trading, if not better. But that's me. Results may vary. Results not typical. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. So, why is this shit in the fucking way? It's so annoying. I want to see something. Look at that, 786. I don't know. I'm not. This is interesting too. It's just cucking around in this cuck zone right now. What the fuck? It knows I want to get in the. This is what I get. Literally, I miss getting filled by 2 ticks, and this is what I get. Now I get to fucking sit here in this cuck. Five months. I didn't get my first payout until my 7th month. I was 7 months in, bro. You're good. Just know, 808 trader. Just know that you're getting closer. Just hopefully along the way you're learning some things. You're learning what not to do. You're learning how to control your emotions. You're learning some good setups. You're learning how the instrument you're trading is moving. You learn how it moves, and you learn to look for certain things, and you see certain things. Really, all you need to do is see one thing, and see that one thing. Just look for that one thing and trade that one thing that you see. The thing that you see the most that gives you the highest fucking win rate. That's all you need. That's all you need. At least in the beginning. Or are we really just going to cuck around in this fucking, what is this? It's 100. This right here is 100. It's 100 tick range. This right here, this little cuck zone we've been sitting in right here is 100 ticks top to bottom. Maybe a little more. It's fucking crazy. Be like Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee was not afraid of the guy who practiced 10,000 kicks one time. He was afraid of the guy who practiced one kick 10,000 times. Yeah, Isaac, yeah. Well, yeah, that's the issue. Yeah. Especially now the way the shit's moving. It took Sean 10 months. It took some other people. It took Cube 6 months. Nice, Eddie. Yeah, Micah. Yeah, I'm with you, bro. I'm with you on that. But if he's just having trouble, like, I don't know. It's true. You can't play passive smash with a funded account. You got to grow that shit. So if you're having, first of all, you definitely wouldn't be trading 6 contracts with a fucking funded account. But yeah, I'm just saying if you want to pass one quick, full porting and catching the move, you got to do it in the right spot. It took 6 Billy Bands 8 months. Andrew, it's true, bro. It's true. That's me. That's me with trading gold with the fibs. That's all I do. I wait for the 707 or the 786 or both, depending on how tight the fib is and how close each level is. That's all I do. It took Rebby 3 months. Well, I hate you, Rebby. Tony Gold. Yeah, Micah. I mean, I'm just saying I'm just trying to help him get a win to pass an account. I did preface it by saying I don't recommend you do this, but maybe you should try anyway. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. Vincenzo, RM. I've done it, bro. I've done the same thing. All I can tell you to do is just keep pushing forward. The question, my question would be, how did you blow them? Were you being a fucking idiot? Were you being an idiot? Did you lose self-control? Did you lose control of your emotions? What happened? Clint Vale, we actually are. We actually are. What up, Rancap? Yeah. It's been 3 months since your last payout. You keep going all in. I mean, there it is right there, bro. Maybe that's part of the problem. His real name's Clarence. No, I was asking RM. Ram. I know Ram is RM, their display name, but fucking YouTube's only showing usernames. We are really cucking around here. Yeah, look at Isaac. 3 years into futures. You got to also remember that too. For those of you who are in your 5th month, your 3rd month, your 6th month, your 9th month, you're just getting started. I'm in my 3rd year. I've been at this for 2 years and November, December. I've been at it for just a little over 2 years and 4 months, trading futures with prop firms. Trading futures at all. I started trading futures with prop firms. Isaac said, and for those of you guys wondering, unknown guy is Isaac. 3 years into futures, first year he was negative 15K. Second year was plus 24K. Third year plus 38K. So he's plus 47K after 3 years. This year he could literally, I don't know what he could end up doing. He could end up being plus 100K by the end of this year or better. He figured some shit out along the way. DCA LeConte, I know, bro. White Trash Granny started when COVID hit. I wish I did. I wish I knew about this shit when COVID hit. I wish I knew about this shit. I wish I was in my 20s and knowing about this shit. Oh, Vincenzo, absolutely, man. Absolutely. And we could get real stubborn when we're trading. You're at 16K this month, bro. After fees. Isn't that fucking crazy? Once you crack it, like you could become unstoppable. And yeah, is Isaac, I don't want to say anything about Isaac, but are we going to run into some fucking struggles and hit some walls along the way? Yeah, but eventually you fucking kick the fuck through those things. I hit a major wall in September. I fucking bashed that shit open. You'll learn a lot about yourself doing the shit. Not just trading with prop firms, but trading in general. I think trading with prop firms is harder. But you don't have to use all of your money unless you use it all buying accounts. But you know what I'm saying? You don't have to drop 10K in an account. You're buying right now, like with Apex, you could buy $2,500 of drawdown for fucking less than $20. If you want to get $2,500 of drawdown in a live personal account, it's going to cost you $2,500. Yeah, I remember, Isaac. First 2 weeks, nothing. And you were fucking sweating. You were getting nervous. And then you realize, hey, I'm just getting closer to my next payout. I'm getting closer to the next fucking run. Yeah, once you learn, like White Trash Granny, once you learn how to wait and be patient, that's why I feel like some of my streams become boring now, because you literally, look, I haven't taken a trade. I miss getting fucking filled here. I didn't chase it. I wish I did, but I didn't. So now I'm just going to wait for it to come down here and hope that it bounces off the 786 from this high to this low. I'm just sitting here waiting. Cute. Like, it's true, man. Some people will have some early success and think that, but then they learn that the market fucking doesn't give a fuck how good you think you are at trading. The market does not give a fuck. You play solid. Shut up. Do you really? Do you really play solitaire while you wait? Oh yeah, Isaac. Yeah, I try to keep it entertaining regardless. It took it. That's good, man. So it's like a form of meditation for you. That's how you keep your shit together, and you wait. You wait to get filled. I know. Even yeah, that used to be the form of entertainment with me. Just blowing accounts left and right. Still getting payouts, but blowing a fuck ton of accounts along the way. I don't do that as much. I still blow accounts though, and it still pisses me the fuck off. You know, I have my moments of weakness. I had it yesterday. I'm still fucking mad about what I did yesterday. The markets will humble you up, and so will fucking haters. They'll teach you lessons in humility. Do you play chess online? Some people play video games. Some like whatever you got to do. But you just gotta like. I'm just sitting here waiting. I don't know what's gonna happen here. I might not even take the trade this whole fucking stream because I got to get off in 20 minutes because I got to run to the store and get chicken. I just missed getting filled. I could have had 4 accounts done if I would have just fucking had my order 2 ticks lower. But I was worried it was going to go boink real quick through the 786. But look, it held. The 786 held. Let me draw it on fucking Trade of 8. This is a 786 from the high of day. From the high of day, which was almost 6 hours ago, to this low. This isn't the low of day, but this is the last low, the lowest low from that high. And I drew the fucking fib, and that was the 786 right there. And I just missed getting filled. And we're just cucking around. We're cucking around in a 100 tick fucking range, which is crazy. That's a big range. Good thing I got all of this taken care of. But I want to get all my wealth charts accounts done too. Except for, obviously I'm not going to touch 554 because I have a pending payout request. But these 5 I would like to get done. These 4 are in a group together. This one's by itself. This one I did $830. It shot up. I did this while I was streaming during Power Hour. It shot the fuck up off a 707 or 786 bounce. It went up so high I actually had another $670. And he pulled back, and I took the profits right then and there. But I lost a lot of drawdown. Martman, GMAT. I closed on my new trailer. I closed on my new trailer on October 3rd, and we finally moved in here on November 29th. We started moving in. Oh yeah, Martman, absolutely. You could be playing in that range. Definitely you could play in a range. You could definitely fucking play the ups and downs in a cuck zone, but at some point, it's gonna break out of the cuck zone one way or the other, up or down. So you just don't want to get caught. And it could have happened here. It could have happened here. You just don't want to get caught in that shit. No one knows when we're gonna break out of the cuck zone. There's no set time. Top frag. I'm just fucking around. I don't live in a trailer. I'm just making fun of somebody who made fun of me and called me white trash, trailer trash who lives in a trailer. Some other prominent fucking, well, they're not prominent anymore. They're irrelevant. I got a double wide, double tall. I got a 3,997. Is that what this house is? What's the square footage of this house? 30. Oh, sorry. I overestimated 3,976 square feet. Size 3,976 square foot trailer. I would like it to break to the downside so I could try to get filled down here, but it started to, and then it just stopped. But what's interesting, if I move this up to here, look where it bounced. If I treated this as the last low, which it was from that high, look where we bounced. We hit the 786 twice, and bounced off of it. We just we missed it by a tick or two, but it retested that 786 twice. Now, will it do it again? I don't know. If it comes back down here, I think it goes lower. If it comes back down here, we haven't retested the 786 back to the upside either. So I don't know what the fuck is going to happen, and I'm annoyed about it because I just miss getting filled here by 2 ticks, and I was conservative in my estimation of the drop. I thought it was going to drop lower, so I fucking have my order down here based on this, the fib I drew with this being the low. So I'm just sitting here waiting, and I might end up fucking not trading these accounts at all for the stream, and I wanted to, and I'm sorry if I don't in advance. Yeah, my trailer's got, yeah, exactly, bro. But yours is bigger. Story of my life. Yeah, I think my house is big, and then I drive by this other development called Spanish Trail, and there's fucking 6,000 and 8,000 square foot homes in there, which means I could fit on the I could fit two of this place in there. But I'm cool. This house is what, Rebby? I live in a van down by the river. Yeah, but GMAT, yeah, I'm in Vegas. I'm in Vegas officially. Yeah, that fucking house in SoCal is probably worth over $1 million, bro. Your little $1,265 square foot home. That's the crazy part about where you live. That house is probably worth more than this house that I'm in now. Yeah, it's crazy. Property taxes? Canine, it already has a pool. Here we go. Are we gonna drop? Can we please drop? That's not bad, bro. Maybe you could pay that off with all the prop firm payouts you're getting, bro. Pay it off quick. Time to pay attention. That happened quick. That's what she said. Uh-oh, fuck. Go back up. Oh, I'm fucked. Maybe not. It went up like 36 ticks in like a second. I'm going to get stopped out. Maybe it holds here. Look at that candle. I'm fucked. Fuck. I couldn't get out fast enough. Look at that drop. Where are we going? Oh, that's oh, look at the 707 there. I fucking missed it. Come back down and fill me. Why can't I? Wow, I just got fucked. How much did I lose? Ew, $600. That's what I waited this whole fucking stream for, to get fucked by that. And I had 300. So I really got fucked by $900 because of the drawdowns trailing. That fucking blows. Uh-oh. Is this going to drop lower? Look at that drop. This is why I don't like fucking trading in ranges like that. This cuck zone. Here we go. I might be fucked. This might just keep. Did something happen? Is there news? There's the 786. Is this going to hold from this low to this high? Let's see. Don't be a fucking bitch. No. Pump it. Oh. Oh boy. I had what I have, $400. I'm gonna get fucked again. I'm gonna get fucked again. Wow, how did I not get taken out there? Give it a chance. Fuck, man, I had it. I fucking had $400. So that's twice I was up in a position and it came right back down. This shit is fucking scary. Oh my God. Next low. Did I just get bottom ticked? Fuck. Let's blow the accounts. Oh, what the fuck? Why can't I get out of this fucking screen? What the dude, I hate fucking well charts. I just got fucked. These accounts are going to blow now. I couldn't fucking get off of that screen. Holy shit. I'm only down $54. Oh. Yo, I fucking hate well charts. It's so fucking. You see all the trouble I was having just sort of trying to place fucking orders? Holy shit. What a fucking joke. Oh, it's gonna keep going now? This was the one. Look, I just fucking with this. Oh my God, I can't with this fucking. I can't even. I'm trying to make the chart bigger. What the fuck? What a piece of shit. What a piece of shit. Michael E., what up? I should have stayed in long. I got out around here. What did I get out at? I'm only down $54 after all of that. And I was up. I was green in both trades, the first two trades. What the fuck is this? Orders, trades. What? Just now, I got a $1,200. What time was that? I got out. What did I get out? 55, 57. Yeah, it's up another fucking 55, 57. 550. 55, 57. Yeah, it went up another 60 ticks. I don't even have the fucking VWAP on here because it's never in the right spot. Another thing. But yeah, here it is. You had some confluence. If I fucking adjust this, fuck me, man. Do you see how I just found like the next low? That's how I fucking trade the fibs. I just look for the next low. And I found the right one, but I got stopped out. Well, I mean, I was green in both fucking trades, but where was it? This was it. Now it's gonna, and it's a big move. It's a big move down. So look at the move. Look at the bounce. It just wicked. Was that it? No, this was it. That was it. That low, I mean, that's the problem with the fibs. It's not always going to be, it's very fluid. But this made sense, and it's also at the VWAP. I didn't have the fucking VWAP. I guarantee you if I put the VWAP on here, it wouldn't be in this spot. Watch, let me add the VWAP. Let's see if I can add this shit. I don't even know where to find it. Add indicators. Watch this. VWAP. Anchored VWAP. Here's just a regular VWAP. Sure. Was that it? Oh, maybe it was in the right place. I'm telling you, anytime I have it on the chart, it's not in the right place. Look at this bounce, though. Look how much it bounced. 446 to 200 fucking. I'm not in anymore. Fucking cocksucker. This is what I'm talking about. I get out of trades. I could be up. I could be fucking up and done with those accounts. Maybe I was using the wrong VWAP this whole fucking time. I don't know. I don't think so. I'm telling you, most of the time it's in the wrong place. Elevated life. Awesome, and thank you. Jordan, thank you, bro. It's the best fucking code. Make it shorter. Bin. I know, bro. I know. I should make it ZFG. Look at this shit go. It went up another fucking. I got out here, basically. Right here. It's up another 160 ticks. Fuck me. I can't believe why is this in the way? $707. I'll put another order here. But look how much, I mean, fuck. Look how much more it went up. I could be done with this account, but I pussied out because I was up $1,200 in the trade and I took it. No, I want it here. What's the benefit of having multiple accounts? Multiplying your payouts. But for you, I would recommend just working that one account for now. No need to load up on accounts until you get a good handle on how all this shit works. Hell yeah, Jordan. That's a fucking great night. That's a great night. Here we go again with this fucking shit. It's so annoying. Trading on this shit is really fucking annoying. But look. Oh, wait. Guess who's fucking green now? Hold on. I got to make a phone call. Hold on. I'm going to make a phone call. I'll be right back. Hello? Who's this? Oh, it's your gains calling. You see this? You guys were talking about copper pumping. Here's 100 pound. Here's a 100 ounce bar of copper. Hello? Hello? New thumbnail. Oh shit. I got one of these on. I got a silver one too. I got a couple of silver ones, but that's besides the point. I wanted to show the copper off today. How much is one of these bars of copper? 100-ounce copper Geiger. Damn. I think I paid 400 for this years ago. This is what it's selling for. Why is this one selling for 350 and this one went for 570? This one for 700. This one went for what the fuck? I'm gonna list this shit for like $1 million. Hello? Tony Montana. I bought this when they first made these off of some dude on Instagram. I was like, yeah, I'll fucking buy one. This is the only copper I have. Aside from whatever copper's running through my house right now. Look at that shit. It's whole. Oh my God. I'd be up even more. Look at that 786 holding. It retested it. It's down. It went down almost 100 ticks. You see, guys? Well, at least I got the trade. It wasn't pretty, but I fucking got the job done. This one I'm not touching until the account is the payout's approved or denied or whatever. It's pending right now. Maybe by tomorrow I'll have an answer, and then I'm requesting on this one 538 2000, and then these three I got to activate. These three. Look at this drop though. We dropped fucking from 894. I miss getting filled by 2 ticks right here at 850. My order was at like 852 or 853. We dropped from 950. Sorry, 950. We dropped almost 500 ticks from this high right here. We cucked around and then it finally dropped right here. At that point, 891 to 466. 425 ticks in literally 3 minutes. Gold is fucking scary right now. And then bounced almost as much. Nice little scam V right there. Ill. I could even make this the high. Nah, I don't know. I mean, this drop right here. Uh-oh. What up, Dave? None of these accounts have 4K balances. What accounts? On well charts or on Trade Evade? Michael. Yeah, nice job, man. It is fucking insane. The way it's moving right now, it's scary. Dave, what accounts? On this in well charts or in Trade Evade? There's only one account with a $4,000 balance, and it has $4,100 of drawdown. Oh, this was their max balance. This is the max net liquidity that they've ever had. So 520 to 525, we're just at 4,077. Well, no, they were at 4,066, and I requested 1,966 and got approved. That's these right here, 1966. But they went up as high as 4,077 in profit. But I requested, and now I only have 2,100. You could take that out. You could add that on the accounts module. It's a setting on the accounts module. You go to settings. I like to see that because I like to see how high my account was. It's like, what's the word I'm looking for? It's more useful before you get any payouts. So I know like how big my account was and why my drawdown is where it's at. You know what I mean? But these already got a bunch of payouts. I'm working on my fourth payout now. But this one, you see 538. I never got a payout on this one yet. The most it's ever been up. I'm actually at my max net liquidity is my balance right now. And then this one, 559, because I didn't lose any. I have all of my drawdown. I literally got taken out at my take profit, which gives me max my drawdown, and that's why it's like this. If I went up, let's say on my last trade, I went up $300 and I got taken out for a $200 gain because I was trailing tight, and it came back and hit my trailing stop, my max net liquidity would say 50,765 and 50,665 for my actual balance. This right here cashes your cash balance. On well charts, it does the same thing. What the fuck? I just got filled? What? I don't even remember. Oh, I did put an order there. Fuck. That's right. I put that order there to get. Oh, no, not sell. Buy. Let's get the fuck out of this shit. I just got more. I just got a little bit more. No, was that? No, was that the first trade I took in that account? I don't even remember. Hold on. Was that the first trade? Yeah, that was the first trade. Hey, we're done. We're done with those accounts. I forgot. Hey, look at hey, we did it. But look, this shit was up. This shit was up. Was it? I don't. Oh no, it wasn't. I only had $1,830 of drawdown before I got into that. So I'm done for the day with that. I'm at $1,800 on that account. That account's looking really fucking good now. Hold on, I'll show you. That account is on day 4. So I'm on day 4 with 560, and I'm at $1,801. I'm on day. These are like growing really slow, but I'm okay with that. Whatever. Whenever they get over, they get over. But I'm on day. Where is that? I'm on day 6 with these. They're fucking taking forever, but I don't care. Whatever. Whenever I get over the buffer, I'm gonna request, and then I'll push from there. If I could get these to a payout, obviously, from there I will see if I could get a max payout on the second time through. Marcine. NJ, what up? Can't stop, won't stop. 0 day Jason. How do I pass evals? It depends on the prop firm, but I do it I'm very aggressive with evals, and I don't recommend it for everyone. It's for a more seasoned trader, but I play a game called Pass or Smash. I literally full port evals. I full port. If I can pass in one day, even better. If I got to trade it for 3 days or 2 days or 5 days, I try to get it done as quickly as possible within the scope of the consistency rule, if there is one. This 786, look. This low from this high. We just We hit the 786. Watch this. So before that pop right there, I had the last low, the last high, I mean, right here before we dumped. This is the last high before we dumped. I took a trade there with the other accounts at the 786. I got filled. It dropped a little, and then it came back and retested. It dropped again, and then it went a little higher. But it turns out that that little pop over this 786 turned out to be the 786 if I move the high up to the last high, which was here. You see that? You see, guys? That's how I trade with fibs. Not rocket science. I just move the shit around. It's fluid. I move it with the highs and lows depending on which way I'm going. This is actually not even in the right place. There we go. That's better. There. And it dropped, I mean, it dropped a fuck ton. It dropped over 100 ticks from there. It dropped over 100 ticks from here. It dropped over 100 ticks from here. It might go lower. It might hold here, but I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. All I know is I traded every account that I have because I have to activate these, and I'm green fucking everywhere. The only one I didn't trade was this one, and because I'm waiting for a payout to be approved or denied or whatever. So my work is finished here. What up, Penguin? You got to cut all the. You got to cut off the fucking. You got to cut off like the skin or whatever that shit is. First, or is that like are you metaphorically speaking? Joshua, good shit, man. Good shit, bro. Keep grinding. Keep grinding. I'm gonna bounce, guys. I wish I could hang out longer, but I gotta run to the store and buy chicken for my wife. For my wife, and I want to do it before they close. So, with that said, if you guys need to grab accounts with Apex, they're 90% off right now. 90% off. 90% off. Evals as low as $19.70. Lifetime activation fee as low as $75, as high as $135, depending on the size of the account you trade with. Use the best code 0DayJ. These new flex accounts with My Fund the Futures are $20 off or whatever with my code. Lucid, this is a killer deal. I'm loading up on Lucid Flex accounts. I got to get new ones, but I'm loading up on them for tomorrow or later on tonight. 40% off any eval. 40% off any eval with the best code 0DayJ, any type. You could get 40% off Pro, Flex, or the new Black. And if you're a new user, I think you could get an extra 5 or 10% off your first account as a new user. Trade Day, 40% off a no activation fee, 50% off for new users. Take Profit Trader, 40% off a no activation fee. Bullinox, 89% off, option 1. All of it you could get with the best code 0DayJ if you want to support the channel. It also happens to have the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop from Streets. I can't give her the chicken. My daughter's in bed with her. We got the DCA gang, the DJ fan making the most fire fucking thumbnails for my streams. I love it. So anybody is welcome to make a thumbnail for me if you want. AI makes it real easy. And if you're not in the Discord and you want to be a member for free, while it's still free for now, you want to hang out in the best fucking community, there's the link right there. Anyway, I got to bounce. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. I will be on for Power Hour tomorrow. And hopefully I'll see you then. Appreciate you guys. I'll be hanging out in the Discord later. Probably all night. But I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your